right. Holy moly, those look good. What do you think, Jody?
Yeah, those look good.
Cast Iron Katie is cooking today. Cast Iron Katie is on her way.
Hi there, I'm Cast Iron Katie. In this video, I am coming to you from South Oaks RV Park in Stockton, Missouri. My guest chef is my brother and my #1 fan, Jody. He is going to be making no sugar added oatmeal raisin cookies. We're going to be making them in Dutch ovens over charcoal. And are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to mix up the wet ingredients. So I want you to take this potato masher. I want you to mash that butter up. You know why I like to use the potato masher?
Why?
So I like to pretend like we don't have electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then try to mush that butter in with our sweetener. We're using a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of allulose. Good job. That'll be the hardest part of it. Let me take a turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
You should take a turn.
All right. I like to kind of grind it together. And sometimes if you turn the bowl, that helps too. Okay, let me get this. Scrape it down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to add some more liquidy ingredients now, so it should be a little easier to combine.
Yeah.
We are going to add 1 egg. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Somewhere about there. Not an exact measurement, but good enough, right?
Yeah, good enough.
Okay. So, we'll smush that together. It'll take a little while, but we'll get it mixed in.
Yeah. So you're gonna put this in there?
Yep, that'll be the next thing we do. You want to bring that over here?
Yeah.
We'll take a look at it. Okay, so these are our dry ingredients. We have, do you remember what this stuff was? Almond flour.
Almond flour.
Almond flour and gelatin and baking powder.
Cinnamon.
And salt.
And salt.
Yep, so we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. So just go ahead and stir that up a little bit, get them all good and combined. So we've made it out of almond flour, so we don't add any more carbs to what we're getting ready to do. And we have gelatin in there to make it nice and chewy.
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanted to pour your dry ingredients here into the wet ingredients. Good job, man. Excellent. All right.
Looks like you're doing a really good job.
Well, I thank you.
And I love you.
I love you too, man. All right. Ooh, that is becoming nice and combined. I like it. Some buttery chunks in there, but I think that those will melt down real nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I think that it's gonna make a delicious cookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty well combined. There are some little butter streaks, but you're not gonna get it perfect if you're not using a hand mixer. So, would you please hand me that wooden thing there? Okay. So, what's the next ingredient we need to add?
We have raisins and oatmeal.
All right. I'm gonna pour that in.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Very cool.
You plan on stirring those up?
I plan on it.
Like the oatmeal and the raisins?
Yeah. You think I should do it now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do it now. After I'm done piddling with this masher. Okay.
Don't need more vanilla in it, does it?
Well, I didn't think it did. What do you think?
Might need that a little bit.
You think it needs more? Okay,
Yeah.
we can work on that. Whatever you think, man.
Yeah, it's a little bit more.
Okay, I'll put 1 more cap in. How about that?
One more cap in it just should
Sure.
be good enough.
Sure, okay. So we're gonna do like a 1.5 teaspoons instead of a teaspoon. I think that's very reasonable. I think it's gonna bring out a lot of flavor by doing that. That was a good suggestion. Okay. We're just gonna smush this all up. We have to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour. The reason why we're gonna do that is so that the oats can absorb a little of the liquid and it'll be easier to handle also.
Before we cook them in the Dutch oven.
Correct. Think I need to mix it more?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I'll keep going. I'll go till you say when, all right?
Okay.
Done yet?
It just got done resting. It had to chill for an hour.
Oh. Well, that's what we were doing. Chilling.
You're chilling for an hour? Woo! Oh, glad that's
Hey,
contained.
turn your camera.
Nice.
Careful there.
All right, man. You gonna help me roll a ball?
Yeah.
Okay. Take that and then just like roll it until it's like a golf ball size.
How does that work?
That looks fantastic. Okay. And then you just set it in there with the others. So now that we have all of our cookies into balls, we're gonna use our 10-inch 5-quart and we are going to use our 12-inch 8-quart Dutch ovens today. Okay. So I'm putting these in here and I'm smushing them down just a smidge. There we go. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. Now, let's go to hot coals.
Okay.
Make these at 350 until they are golden on the edges. To achieve a 350 degree 12-inch 8-quart Dutch oven, I will put 10 on the bottom and 20 on top. To achieve a 350 degree oven for a 10-inch 5-quart, we will put 8 on the bottom, already there, and 14 on top. All right. Holy moly, those look good. What do you think, Jody?
Yeah, those look good.
Cool. All right. Those are good to go. We'll take those off. See about these. I think those look good too. What do you think?
Yeah, those look good.
Heck yeah! All right. Let's get these coals off of here. These got a little more done than what I wanted, but I bet they're still delicious. What do you think?
Yeah, but they're delicious. Can you smell that cinnamon?
Heck yeah, I can. I added a bunch of extra charcoal because it was so windy out here. I felt like all the heat was running away rather than sticking around. Okay. It got windy, a little chilly, and we had to add some extra charcoal. But these, no sugar added, oatmeal raisin cookies. Oh my gosh, they look so chewy, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Grab one, see what you think.
Can I try this one?
Yeah, if you want to try the darker ones, go for it.
Okay.
What do you think?
Tastes really good. You should try these sometime.
Yes, they're so good.
They're really good.
I like the cinnamon. The extra vanilla. Good suggestion. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
You want to tell the people watching this video what sort of naughty thing your dog did?
Yeah.
Go right ahead.
The naughty dog, Ollie, ate 7 cookies.
She did. We had those 7 dough balls left over, and I forgot about her running around. Came outside, that crazy dog was up on the picnic table eating all the remaining cookie dough. So this is all we got.
Yep.
That's all right. That'll be plenty for us, won't it?
Yep.